Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Pooja, so let's get ready for a brunch. तो पहले मैं लगा रही हूँ कामा आयुर्वेदा का रोज़ वाटर before I apply my moisturizer, and here I'm using the Minimalist Marula oil 5% moisturizer. It helps to nourish and provide the hydration. उसके बाद मैं यूज़ कर रही हूँ मैक्स स्टूडियो फिक्स फाउंडेशन in a dotted motion, and I am taking my pack to 65 brush to blend it in. It gives a beautiful flawless finish, as you can see. It's very important to use the right amount of foundation ताकि skin cakey ना लगे. Next I'm going in with the Maybelline Fit Me concealer in medium and using it in these spots so that it highlights and conceals few of the area. And then I am going in with ब्यूटी ब्लेंडर और अच्छे से ब्लेंड कर रही हूँ. फिर हम ले रहे हैं Maybelline Fit Me लूज पाउडर इन लाइट मीडियम, मेकिंग श्योर दैट कि जो भी क्रीजी एरियाज है उसको हम पैक करेंगे पाउडर के साथ. नेक्स्ट आई एम यूजिंग द ईबा कॉस्मेटिक्स sheer peach lip and cheek tint. This is extremely nice and blends easily and gives you a very nice flushy look. उसके बाद हम इसके ऊपर पाउडर से डस्ट करके इसको अच्छे से सेट कर लेंगे. नेक्स्ट आई एम गोइंग इन विद द Etude House enhancer and filling it in. I usually don't fill it a lot because I have thick eyebrows. Then I'm using the Sugar Cosmetic Contour Face Palette in the Subtle Summit and वही brown contour shade में अपने eyes के ऊपर लगा रही हूँ. Then I'm going in with the NYX Professional Epic Ink Liner. It's beautiful, which gives you a sharp wing. Then I'm going in with the Maybelline Sky High Mascara. This mascara has my heart and it's extremely beautiful. Using the blush from the same palette from the Sugar Cosmetics. It's a beautiful palette and completely travel friendly. Going in with the Nykaa Lips Don't Lie in Feisty Brunette and Swiss Beauty's Brandy Harrington lip shade. This is such a beautiful option. I hope आपको ये वीडियो बहुत ही आसानी से समझ में आया. Subscribe to my channel and I will see you in my next video. Bye.